In today's video, I'm going to teach you find and delete duplicate files in Google Drive. If your drive feels cluttered or you're bumping into storage limits, cleaning up duplicates can make a big difference. We'll use Google's built-in tools, keep everything simple, and make sure you confidently remove only what you don't need. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the right files. At the top right of the page, click the small grid of dots to open the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Drive to launch Google Drive. Once Drive loads, confirm you're in My Drive. You'll see this in the left-hand sidebar and at the top of your file list. This view shows the files and folders you own or have placed in your main drive, which is the best place to start when looking for duplicates. To quickly surface duplicates, use the date filter so items uploaded around the same time appear together. Look for the Modified column near the top of your file list. Click Modified to sort by date, then focus on the day you suspect duplicates were uploaded. Files added on the same day will line up in a row, making similarities easier to spot. As you scan, watch for matching names, identical file types, and the same sizes. Sometimes Google adds a suffix like 1 to a file name when a duplicate is created, which is another helpful clue. When you spot a duplicate, click it to select it. If you're uncertain, press Space or open a quick preview to confirm you're looking at the right file before removing it. You can also select multiple duplicates at once by holding Shift to pick a range, or holding Ctrl or Command to select individual items. Take a moment here to double-check that you're keeping the best version, maybe the one with the latest changes, and selecting only the extras. With the duplicate selected, click the Delete icon at the top of the page. This moves the file to Trash, where it's not permanently removed right away. That safety net gives you time to restore something if you change your mind. If you're sure you won't need the duplicate again, you can empty Trash later to free up space. That's it. You opened Drive from the Google Apps menu, went to My Drive, used the modified filter to group likely duplicates, selected the extras, and sent them to Trash. Follow this approach anytime you upload batches of files, and your drive will stay tidy and easier to navigate.